Long ago, in a small village surrounded by deep forests, there lived a man named Arjun. He was an ordinary man, like many others, lost in the pleasures and worries of life. He worked hard, earned his living, and enjoyed the little joys that came his way. But he never thought beyond the moment. He never questioned what lay beyond this life. One day, as Arjun was walking through the forest, he heard a thunderous sound behind him. When he turned, his heart froze in fear. A massive wild elephant was charging toward him, its eyes burning with fury. Arjun knew that if he was caught, it would be the end of him. His legs moved before his mind could think, and he ran with all his strength, desperately searching for a way to escape. Just ahead, he saw a large tree with strong branches. Without a second thought, he leaped and grabbed hold of a thick branch, pulling himself up just in time. The elephant stopped below, trumpeting loudly, pacing back and forth, waiting for him to fall. Relief washed over Arjun, but only for a moment. As he caught his breath, he noticed something strange. The tree he had climbed was home to a beehive, and golden honey dripped from it. The sweet aroma filled the air. Mesmerized, Arjun reached out and let the honey touch his lips. It was the most delicious thing he had ever tasted. In that moment, he forgot the wild elephant below him. But his troubles were not over. As he looked down, he noticed something even more terrifying. Right below the tree was a deep, dark pit, and within it, he saw two glowing eyes staring back at him, a great serpent waiting with its fangs wide open. His heart pounded. He couldn't climb down, and he couldn't stay in the tree forever. Then, to his horror, he saw two tiny mice, one black, one white, gnawing at the very branch he was holding. Slowly but surely, they were weakening his only support. At any moment, the branch could snap, and he would fall into the pit. Arjun felt trapped. He had no way forward and no way back. Yet, he continued to lick the honey, savoring its sweetness, trying to forget the danger around him. At that moment, a wise sage happened to pass by. Seeing Arjun's plight, he called out, "O foolish man, wake up! You are blind to the truth. The elephant chasing you is death. It follows every living being without rest. The tree you cling to is the material world. It seems strong, but it is temporary. The honey you taste is worldly pleasure. It distracts you from reality. The pit below is the endless cycle of birth and rebirth, and the serpent within it is time itself, ready to consume you. The two mice are day and night. They never stop, slowly cutting away the days of your life. You cannot escape by clinging to this tree. The only way to be free is to seek the higher truth." Arjun's eyes filled with realization. He had been living in ignorance, lost in the temporary joys of the world while ignoring the eternal truth. He called out to the sage, "O wise one, tell me, what must I do?" The sage smiled and said, "Look beyond the tree. There is a rope hanging from the sky. It is the path of wisdom, the path of liberation. Take hold of it, and you will be free." With great effort, Arjun let go of the tree and reached for the rope. As he held on, a great transformation occurred within him. He felt light, free from fear and attachment. The elephant below vanished, the pit disappeared, and the honey no longer tempted him. He was no longer trapped. He had awakened to the truth. From that day on, Arjun devoted his life to seeking wisdom, to understanding the deeper meaning of existence. He no longer ran from death, nor did he cling to fleeting pleasures. He had found the path to liberation. This wild elephant chasing the man is death, ever persistent and inescapable. The tree he clings to is the material world, offering only temporary shelter. The honey he so eagerly tastes is worldly pleasure, sweet but fleeting, distracting him from the greater reality. The pit below is the endless cycle of birth and rebirth, and within it lies the serpent of time, patiently waiting to consume all. The two mice, one black, one white, are day and night, silently cutting away at his days, reminding him that time never stops. But the Upanishad does not leave us in despair, it offers a path to freedom. It teaches that true liberation comes not from running, nor from clinging, but from awakening. Only by seeking the higher truth, by realizing the eternal self beyond birth and death, can one break free from this cycle and attain lasting peace. So, ask yourself, are you merely clinging to the tree, lost in the taste of honey, or are you ready to awaken and seek the truth beyond illusion? If this story resonated with you, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you seek more timeless wisdom, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps keep these timeless teachings alive and accessible to everyone. Thank you for being part of this journey. See you in the next video.